Is our week one video overview. So as always on our homepage, we go to the modules, start here. And you will see that there's only 1 week's worth of modules that are open right now, and we're going to go through those. This is the week 1 overview. It has all the pages in this module and all the assignments. So we can see there's 2 different discussion assignments and 1 observation. This is the page that's going to prepare you for your first discussion. So it's just a general overview about your chosen profession of teaching. So there's a short video here. There's another video here. This one's really cool. If you read in these paragraphs down here, you'll see that there's a link to an article on the topic of grit. There's a little quiz to see how much grit you have. This quiz is not graded. It's just for you. And then there's a really nice article on growth mindset. Now, there's also a lot of criticism about the concept of grit. So here is an article that is critical of this concept. And then once you've read all of those and watched all the videos, then you should be well prepared to do the discussion. Now, I'm going to have to leave the student view because the discussion isn't open yet. There we go. And so you can see from this discussion post, you're going to go through and you're going to read it in detail. But right here, I want to point out that it says referencing the videos or articles. So when you answer this discussion question, I want you to make sure and explain how something in the video or something you read in the articles is contributing to your response. So please reference the videos or articles. And then we have another content page on today's teachers. So there is an article here by my colleagues at the Education Trust West. Here is another research article. And here is a short video. Actually, I don't know how long this video is. It's a good video. It's by the National Education Association, and I quite like this one. And once you have read those 2 articles and watched that video, you'll be able to answer this discussion question, which is asking you about, what kind of setting you would like to teach in, what kind of school, grade level, what part of the state, and so on, so forth. And again, it says referencing the articles, referencing the videos or the articles. So when you answer this question, you need to refer back to the videos or the articles. And then finally, I can go back to the student view for this one. You have the classroom you have the classroom observation assignment. So as I said, the assignment hours, the observation hours for Education 201 are 45 hours. And I've broken those into a number of different assignments. This assignment is for the first 10 hours. You are welcome to copy and paste your 10 hours worth of observations that you did for Education 101 and use those. That's totally fine. That's completely allowable, not a problem. You could also save those 10 hours for the end of the semester when you might be rushing to get some other assignments in or rushing to get everything done for all of your classes. So that might be a gift to your future self. So if you want to jump in and start doing some new observations, here is the template. It's this exact same template as before. Nothing new there. And there is the resource page that has, you've probably seen all of these videos and a bunch more, but every single one of these links right here links to many, many, many videos. So if we just go to this first one, which is, I believe, the Department of Education in Philadelphia, you can see that there are a lot of videos here. Now, be careful when you read when you read the titles, make sure you're choosing videos that are elementary school, because that's what this class is for, elementary teacher certification. So this one right here is first grade, whole group feedback when practicing routines. So that one would work. This one is high school. So you can watch it if you're interested in it, but it's not really appropriate for the write-up. But here's a fifth grade one, here's a second grade one, and they just go on and on and on. And this is just one of the many links. So you'll be able to find plenty of videos in there to watch. And they will be new and exciting. And that will take you to the end of week one of the week one modules.